What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Have Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I have a new beautiful tweak that you must download. This tweak will change your iPhone's lock screen to an Android inspired lock screen clock experience. As you see, it's a really beautiful tweak with many options. Adding a touch of personality to your iPhone's time display is something cool. If you are a jailbreaker who's looking for the best jailbreak tweaks for your iPhone's lock screen, then I would recommend taking a quick look at this newly released jailbreak tweak. This tweak is a fun way for jailbroken users to change the lock screen clock design at any moment. While you could stick with the boring stock lock screen clock, this tweak brings flair and personality to the interface, which may be especially appreciated by lock screen lovers. This tweak comes with a number of customization options, so now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Sileo or whatever you are using. I will open Sileo, go to the sources here and make sure to add Havoc repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for Waktos 2. And as you see, this is the tweak. Waktos tweak, as I said, designed to give your iPhone's lock screen an Android-inspired lock screen clock experience. Waktos 2 brings a highly configurable Android-inspired lock screen clock to your iPhone, and it's highly customizable in terms of appearance. Now you can customize the lock screen directly from the lock screen or from Notification Center in a sleek new editing interface. With a variety of different lock screen clock options to choose from, you can get just the right aesthetic for your device. With this tweak, you will find different options that you can mess around with, including customizing lock screen clock colors, choosing from 6 clock styles, adjusting the size of the clock, changing the position, configuring the alpha level, and more. Waktos 2 is the perfect version of Waktos, but now it can be customized on lock screen or Notification Center. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here. Now hit confirm. I've already installed it. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you are gonna do here is of course enable the tweak from here. It's enabled by default. Okay, this is the tweak. It has some options to customize. I'm gonna quickly explain all these options. So the first option we have here is customizes on lock screen. To enter the customization interface, you can select double tap on the lock screen or press and hold. If you select double tap option, then just double tap on Notification Center to enter the customization interface as you see. So I prefer to use double tap, so I will keep it double tap. In size option here, you can adjust the size of the lock screen clock. If you choose the small size, the clock will look like this. Well, I prefer to use the dynamic size, so I will keep this one. In style option here, you can choose from 6 lock screen clock styles. So as you see, this is the second style, this is the third one. The best thing is that you don't need to respring to apply the changes. It takes effect immediately. Okay, this is the last style. In colors option here, you can choose from wallpaper inspired colors, mix colors, or select manual colors of your choosing. In dynamic position option, you can move the clock position anywhere on the lock screen. There are X and Y sliders that let you move the lock screen clock around until you are satisfied with where it sits. In alpha option, you can set custom alpha level. This allows you to make the clock more transparent as you see. I will keep it in the full level. And finally, the last options here is to hide the date and hide the weather. So this is all the options we have in this tweak. There is an easy way to customize the tweak. Just go to Notification Center. Now here, double tap on screen. And as you see, now you can quickly customize the lock screen clock directly from the lock screen or from Notification Center. This makes it easy to customize the tweak. You can change the colors, the size, and position directly from here. So this is the tweak. It makes the lock screen more modern and more beautiful. You can easily customize things like colors, sizes, and more just the way you want. Because the lock screen clock is something that you see every time you interact with your device, this is a low-key way to add some nice additions to your lock screen clock. If you are planning or looking to customize your lock screen clock, then I would recommend you to try this tweak. Make sure to download and give this tweak a try. The repo is in the description description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.